The easiest way to succeed in life is to be the person willing to try. And try, and try, and try, even after failure. The reality is most people get knocked down in life and they don't have the guts to get back up. They give up. They quit. Quitting is easy. Takes no courage, no strength. You just put your head down and walk away. Now pushing forward is where you need guts. You need determination. If you're like I was, when things get tough, a little voice in your head says, you can quit. Just walk. Do it tomorrow. Or some other crap to justify quitting. You have to train your brain not to accept quitting. Not ever. You see, your mind is very powerful. It has certain comfort zones. Your mind sees limits. Limits on income, limits on friends, limits on family, relationships, physical achievements, and everything else you can think of. You'll need to do two things if you want to improve something in your life. One is do not quit. Two, constantly tell yourself, I'm getting this done, no matter what. My internal conversations were very intense. Every time that little voice started whining about fear and doubt or whatever, I told him to shut up. I'm not quitting. The people succeeding in life are people that stretch their comfort zones and don't give up ever. I can't guarantee that you'll always win, but knowing that you grounded out and gave 100% will make you feel alive and ready for the next challenge.